Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to gudshuis. In this video, we're going to cover how to install Terraform on macOS, covering all the common errors and solutions. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Follow-up video from Terraform 101. Terraform 102. Terraform installation on macOS with tfenv. Manage multiple Terraform versions easily. Started with Mac OS, open the browser and go to the official Terraform website and click on Terraform installation or download Terraform. Once you're in the page, on the left hand side, you will notice like different operating system tabs: Linux, Windows, Mac OS. We'll be following Mac OS installation instructions today. Let's move on to setting up our development environment in the Visual Studio Code. Let's type in Terraform version. The command checks the Terraform is installed and shows its version. So let me zoom in a bit so you'll be able to see it clearly. In the view appearances, zoom in to increase the text size in the terminal. So I see the Terraform 0.14.7 is already installed. It's an older version. Let's uninstall it using the homebrew. Let me type in the command brew uninstall Terraform. Uninstalls Terraform if it's already installed using homebrew. Let's run the command Terraform version. If the Terraform is installed, this command will display the current version. If not, you will get an error message. Or in our case, it's showing up the Terraform v 0.14.7 version is still there. So let's test by running the command which Terraform. Checks if the Terraform binary still exists in your system. Okay, shows the location user local bin Terraform. So we're going to manually delete the Terraform binary by running the command sudo rm-f. It's asked for the password. We can authenticate that with the password and recheck by typing Terraform version. Okay, the command is not found. So let's start with the homebrew. Install Terraform version 1.9.8. Let's update by running brew update. This command will update homebrew to the latest versions. Brew install Terraform at the rate 1.9.8. So installs a specific version of Terraform. Okay, it comes up with a warning, no available formula with the name. We're going to check by running Terraform brew install Terraform. Okay, I see there is another error, cannot install Terraform because conflict formula are installed. Remove or unlink by brew unlink tfenv. This will unlink tfenv from the current path. Let's test by running the command tfenv install 1.9.8. The command not found. That's great. Now run the command brew uninstall tfenv. It uninstalls tfenv, a Terraform version manager. Let's run the command brew install tfenv. This installs tfenv, a Terraform version manager. Once completed, run the tfenv version. Verifies the installation of tfenv. So we see like 3.0.0 version installed. Let's move on by installing Terraform version 1.9.8 with tfenv. Run the command tfenv install 1.9.8. Once completed, run the Terraform version to check if there are any files or directories created. It says version could not be resolved. We need to set the environment variable, update the path environment variable with the command export path, and then source it, reloads the terminal configuration to apply the path configuration or path changes. And the next command tfenv list -remote, list all the available Terraform versions that you can install from. tfenv. So the current version is installed as 1.9.8. We will recheck by typing the command. So the Terraform v 1.9.8 is already installed. That's great. Let's use this by running the command tfenv use 1.9.8 and check the Terraform version command. It's all set now. We have successfully installed and configured Terraform on macOS. This method allows you to manage multiple Terraform versions easily, ensuring capability across different projects. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gudshuis. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.